Good afternoon. Oops. It's Mark, 2E1CQ. I have an announcement to make. It's been on social media and some Discord chat servers that Amshack Hotline, which is a asterisk-based Allstar VoIP service, you can dial on a hard telephone or from a mobile phone using a VoIP app into their Allstar nodes, which they have from some of the radio networks for amateur radio. And the announcement is today that it's a fond farewell. They are closing down. I don't know the reason why, but this is what we have received on their Discord chat server, which has been turned off from a point that you can only read some messages in the lobby and the announcement page. You can't participate in the Discord channel anymore. You can only read messages. I have myself put a few messages around on the Hamshack Hotline fan page, wishing everybody a happy retirement as such, and obviously my disappointment that we are losing a service available to us hams. It's been around since 2018, and in its heyday had 7,000 interconnections with its Allstar nodes, conference rooms, and everything else. The end date, like I said, is the 29th of August. So you will not see your extensions active after that date. Now, the 25th of August, it doesn't really tell us what time, but I would have thought pretty much straight away for some, depending where you are in the world, that if you see your phone and the connection is red, then obviously it's time to say goodbye. After much thoughtful discussion and reflection, the Board of Directors has unanimously voted to sunset the project, giving our community ample time to transition to other services by the end date. Now, for anyone that has actually got a hams over IP extension and wants to transfer or start again on a different VoIP service, hams over IP welcome anyone coming over to our network that doesn't already have a VoIP SIP extension, Allstar node, conference room, and stuff like that. You're more than welcome to come over. I do have other videos out there that tell you how to join. It is for amateur radio use only. Like HH, we do go through checking your licenses and so on. But please watch my other videos on how to join hams over IP. Scroll down and read the rest. In the spirit of giving back, the remaining cash reserves of Hamshack Hotline after settling final operating expenses will be donated to charity that supports veterans. That's not a bad idea. We'll announce the receipt of this donation soon. What happens to your personal donations through their monthly donations, I honestly couldn't tell you. I'm sure something will happen on that, but as I'm not part of Hamshack Hotline, I'm just a subscriber, I honestly can tell you. Down there at the moment, on the bottom right hand side, is the call signs and the directors of Hamshack Hotline. Now, if you want to take their call sign and find their email address with qrz.com, by all means send them an email, but obviously a polite email, depending obviously what happens to your subscriptions as regards to monthly subscriptions to the service or voluntary donations, what you've done so far. I would have thought they would have actually turned that off pretty much as soon as they would have actually noticed for a while now. And that's it. So again, if anybody wants to move over to Hams over IP VoIP service, it's exactly the same as HamShack Hotline. However, we don't have the departmental system that HH does or did have. We don't automatically provision hard phones. It's very similar to HamShack Hotline UX server, where you have to configure your own phone. Any phone that has the SIP firmware inside should be able to have our service. But please watch my other videos on how to join Hams over IP. And again, I wish everyone connected to HamShack Hotline the very, very best for the future, whatever you actually do as regards to ham radio. And thank you very much for the service. Thank you for watching my YouTube videos. Please like and subscribe. If you want to ask any questions, please make a comment on YouTube. I hope once this is ready to upload, I would actually include all the links to join Hams over IP, but that's already available on Google. If you search Hams over IP on Google, you'll come to our help desk. Join, create an account, request an extension, add your amateur radio license, and we will do that for you as soon as possible. As soon as I came home today, let's have a look. In the last hour, we've had 2, 4, 5 ticket requests. So we are probably expecting an influx of users wishing to have our service. That could be Allstar, link requests, conference rooms and everything else. Please bear with us if we have an influx of ticket inquiries, ticket requests. It's going to take some time to get all these done. We try our best, but do have some patience as regards to additional network. We're not as busy with tickets, as I understand from somebody else, as HamShack Hotline. We do get a few, and we have our fair share, but please bear with us. And I've just received another one. So that's 6 in the last hour. Also, these aren't always ticket requests. That is, however, another ticket that we have to deal with. So please bear with us, and we can take it from there. Thank you very much. Thank you for watching my YouTube videos. Please like and subscribe, like I said before. It's Mark, 2E1CEQ, wishing you a good evening. 73s.